Prizm 18853, here we go. Let's find out who wins the Spurs. We got this list already that has the Spurs taken off it, I'm pretty sure. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The winner is Utah Jazz, 5 times. The Utah Jazz on top. Utah, Matt Wood. Good double up to have there. All right. Big 101 ski. All right. Oh, sticky boys. Isaiah Wong, Murray Bailey, Prizm Break, Jalen Green, Silver, Shai Gilgeous, and 275, Big Del Carter Jr. Jalen Wilson, Anthony Black, Kaleidoscopic, Shai Gilgeous, Alexander, Silver, Tabellis, White, Franz Wagner for the Magic, 275. Dante Johnson, Firework Shai Gilgeous, Pulsar Jeremy Grant to 299, and Murray Bailey. Elsa, Phillip. Slavers is full, 3 left on the Don Rush, 2 left in the Prizm Hobby Random Teamer. Gold! Can't wait more. Come on now. Melo Kaleidoscopic, Silver Round Ruby for the Blazers, Prizm Break, Silver LeBron. Spurs. Ah! Trey Jones. Ah! I was about to go feral, but I saw too much of that. Ah, get stuffed, Trey Jones. I mean, still a nice card. Gold in Prizm's always great, but. Tabellis, Oscar, Trey Jones, you're now my enemy. All that we had was gone. Podziemski, Prizm Break, Zach Devine, Silver, Jason Kidd, Red Wave, Gabe Vincent. Hunter Tyson, Bilal Bali, Hypershake Milton, Max Struss. The half court king, Max Struss. Oh boy. Lee Black. What a finish. Derek Lively, Sensible, Jalen Green, Redway, D'Angelo Russell, Silver, Jalen Brunson. Ricky Council. I actually knew the second I saw no black screen Julian Strother, Chris Murray, Zach Levine, Silver Tari Easton. Hyper Sassy. Yeah, crazy. Taylor Hendricks, TJD. Silver Dimich. David Thompson. Signatures for the Nuggets. I probably would have ended this. I probably would have ended the stream and booked my flights to go deliver it by hand. Right on Rupert. Works on the ball. Hypercard Kuzma. Pulsar. Julian Champagne. Champagne for my fake friends. Champagne for my real friends. Real pain for my sham friends. Jordan Hawkins. Luck of the lottery, Taylor Hendricks. Pulsar. Monogram, Red Batum. 299. That'd be nice. Last pack of the night. Hunter Tyson. Black Olay. I was going to say Williamson. So Dyson Daniels. A bit of Pelicans vibe there, at least, right? Kamara, Lucky Lottery, Jet Howard. Silver, Lucky Lottery, Anthony Black. And to 75, that's very nice for the Rockets, Amen Thompson. Wow, we've really stepped up with these Prizms lately. Castleton, Mike Miles. I got a couple days, extra days to marinate, so it's on sicko mode. Kobe Brown, Derek Whitehead, Lucky Lottery, Bilal Coulibaly. Silver, DeAndre Jordan to 175, Kevin Lofton. Noel. D. Lively, like the lottery, Anthony Black. So, Schroeder, Red Branham, number to 299. Sonogo, Ricky Counson. Orsa, Grady. Darius Garland, Kaleidoscopic. Silver Vanderbilt, Hyper, Josh Hart. Serge Ibaka. Boopy, you still here? Is Jordan going to be starting? Hendricks. Hi, Larry Bird. To 109, Bradley Beal. I don't think we have Wi-Fi good enough to stream on the plane. Centre Boss, Strother, Chris Murray, LeBron James, Chris Breaker, Red Wave, Luca's quite nice. 125, Norman Powell. Oh, fair enough. Oh, well, Booby was here earlier. MG. John Morant. Hyper, Jet Howard. Red Wave, Kobe Buffkin. He's already on the flight, apparently. He said, make sure I do a 24-hour stream. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be a cool card. I actually reckon that'll be one of the cards that blows up. Clowney, Jimmy Jackson, LeBron, Silver, Steph Curry. I think these are going to be big. And nice, our first number LeBron this year to 299. Unless that was Connor Boopy playing a prank ski on me. TDD. Rayon Rupert, Tyrese Maxey, Silver Giannis, Silver Fractal, Steph Curry. Sasha. Yeah, no, I think, you know how every now and again there's just a card that randomly blows up? I think that's going to be one of them, to be honest. Andre Jackson, City Soko, KD. For the Jazz, not bad at all. Keontae George. Number to 175. And an orange Kmart Jr. to 49. They're not swapped. Oh. What am I having for dinner tonight? Isaiah Wong, Hyper George, Hyper Graham, and an auto of Ochai Baji. Slawson, Walsh, Kevin Durant, Red Wave, how we go with it, Richard? Hawkins, Ben Shepherd, Silver, Coulibaly, Silver Kaleidoscopic Harden. Osa, Grady, D. Mitch, Red Wave, John Morant. White, James Wiseman. Down to 175. Mike Miles. Serge Ibaka. What time do they start at Magda? Leonard Miller, Prizm Break Kyrie Irving, Hyper Bruce Brown, Silver Allen Iverson, Adam Escobar, Andre Jackson, Fireworks Kyrie Irving, Hyper Nick Smith, Silver Fireworks Damian Lillard. Nick Smith, Max Lewis, Jett Howard, Red Wave, DeAndre Jordan, Auto TJD for the Warriors. I think I'm going to go with the popular opinion. I think the Curry with the logo man in the background is really, really cool. I think that's a great shot. City, Leonard Miller, Damian Lillard, Silver LaMelo Ball, and to 25, Mojo, Andrew Wiggins.
Which app do you want to listen to this?
What? No. Okay, so there's ABO. This is actually a gold auto, which is fun. Sassy, Livingston, Silver Malik Monk. Oh, wow, that's nice. To just 10, Kevin Garnett for the Timberwolves. Wow, Mojo into a gold. This has been a good free boxer. Mary Bailey, Cameron Johnson, Silver James Harden. I mean, James Harden has a similar logo, but the Curry one's something else. Jordan Walsh, sensational signatures. Joey Hauser, Philip Petrozov. John Clark, Fireworks Sean Morant, Silver Benedict Mathurin, Red Jalen Pickett. That is number 299. Victor Wembanyama, Embiid, Harper Brunson, Silver Kaleidoscopic of Lillard. And then finally, what have we got here? Scooter, Whitmore, Jamal Murray, Hyper Zion, Red Wave Vanderbilt. And that is that for that. Prizm 18853. Time to do a bit of sleeving.